If you're tired of dealing with your server crashes on busy days and worse on the weekends, then this video is going to be for you. I'm going to show you how you can use some open source tool plus AI to create a predictive maintenance system for your company and your organization. We all know how it goes. You get sudden spike in traffic, your server starts slowing down. Before you know it, they crash. It's stressful, it costs money and time, and it's massive pain for you and your users. What if you could use real-time monitoring and AI to predict issues before they happen? That's where AI-powered monitoring comes into play. And the best part is you can achieve this by open source tools without spending any money. So why it's so important? If you are IT head, system engineer, or someone who is responsible for the server, then predictive maintenance can be a game changer for you and your team. With AI and tech stack, you will have following things. First, peace of mind, real-time insight in the server so you are always in the know. Proactive problem solving, predict and prevent issues before they impact your businesses. Automation and efficiency, automatically reacting to anomalies like freeing up memories and restarting services without you lifting up a finger. Cost saving, minimize costly downtime and repair expenses by catching issues early. So what exactly is Tech Stack? It's an open source platform made up of 4 components which provides real-time monitoring, alerting and visualization. Telegraph, this is your data collector. It gathers all sort of metrics from your servers. CPU usage, memory, network data, you name it. InfluxDB, this is where all the data is stored. It's a time series database that handles all the metrics and lets you query it easily. Chronograph, to make sense of your data, Chronograph lets you create dashboards so you can easily visualize all server metrics in one place. Capacitor, and finally, Capacitor is the brain. It processes your data streams, detects anomalies, and trigger alerts or automation based on predefined rules. You can build models which can analyze historic data, detect patterns, and predict future failures. So, how does this work? Collect historic data. Use the data which Telegraph collects and InfluxDB store to recognize the faulty and the normal behavior of your servers. Second step, train the AI model. You can train the AI model with your historic data from your servers. This could involve into supervised learning if you have labeled failure events or unsupervised learning if you don't. Automate with Capacitor. Once your AI model is able to predict server issues or failures, you can use Capacitor to send alerts or trigger server maintenance routines. If you want to dive deeper and see the full technical setup, then please leave a comment below with the word predictive maintenance and I will share the PDF guide for you to walk you through the entire process. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon if you want to watch more videos about server maintenance, AI and tech news. I will see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, peace out.